Hey, Garrett here. Welcome back to our channel. If you're a cable and wire installation pro, technician, or even a serious DIYer working on a shielded cable, this video is for you. Today we're breaking down a specialized cutting tool that can make longitudinal cuts in cable sheaths and shields easier and more precise. The Jonard Tools TS-850 tabbing shears. Let's go over some key things you need to know about these tabbing shears and why they might be worth adding to your kit. Designed specifically for longitudinal cuts. These shears are built for making lengthwise cuts in cable outer sheaths and metallic shields, ideal when you need to install inner sheath bond clamps or prep cable for splicing. Precision and durability built in. Made from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel with precision ground cutting blades, these shears are strong and cut smoothly, reducing effort and improving accuracy. Comfort and ease of use. The volute spring helps the handles open and close easily, and there's a handy latch on the jaw to keep the tool closed when not in use. Plus, the ergonomically formed plastic handles helps keep your hands comfortable during repetitive cuts. Built to handle typical cable sizes. With a jaw capacity of about 1 1/4 inch, the tool handles most cable shield and sheath cuts you'll encounter in telecom and electrical work without slowing you down. Overall, the TS-850 offers a specialized, rugged solution for techs who want cleaner, longitudinal cuts and a tool that's comfortable to use all day. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.